Annyeonghaseyo, Yorobun. This is Anthony Jarsoniba, vlogger South Korea. So ngayon guys, isa-share ko naman sa inyo itong time vocabularies na kailangan nating kabisaduhin or ipamiliarize sa exam or sa pag-aaral natin ng Korean language. So ginawa ko itong video na to para sa mga nanonood dito sa YouTube at sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa page natin sa FB. So yon, gumawa na rin tayo ng YouTube channel para mas marami pa po tayong matulungan. Okay? So, libre po itong copy po na ito. I-comment down below nyo lang po yung inyong email and then isa-send po natin. Okay? And then, yon. So, let's start. So, number 1 is itong Ojon, AM, Ohu, PM. And then, Onul, today. And then, Oje, yesterday. Neil, tomorrow. Achim, morning, or achime, indicating na umaga siya. Okay, yung e particles ay time. Time particles na ginagamit natin sa mga time. Okay, so jonyok, evening, jonyoke. Okay, evening siya. Not daytime. Okay, pam, nighttime. Mure, day after tomorrow. Onje, when. Jigum, now. Mire, future. And then Choum, first time. Il or nal is day. Nyon is year. And then she is time. Bun, minutes. And then wol or tal is month. Okay, so Haru, one day. Jinanjo, last week. Taumjo, next week. Ibonjo, this week. Jinantal, last month. Taumtal, next month. And then Ibontal, this month. Jumal, weekend. Changnyon, last year. Hindi po siya Jaknyon. Changnyon, last year. Ore, this year. Nenyon, next year. Okay? And then 31 is yung Nadyonge, later. Yennal, all days. John, before. Dong'an, during. Ire, since. Jamsi, or a moment. Or Jamsi manyo. Ito guys yung madalas sinasabi dito sa South Korea kapag sinabi nating wait lang po. Okay? So, aka, earlier. Ito yung tinatawag na kanina. Okay? Pyong-il, weekday. Hwonyongi, Yongwoni is forever. Jong-u, noon. Jajong, midnight. Sebyok, down. Pum is spring. And then Yorum, summer. Kaul, fall or autumn. Kyoul, winter. Apuro, in the future. Kinyomil, anniversary. And then Jongil, all day long. Yonde, modern times. Dangjang, right now. Chulgon, repeatedly. Jonggi, fixed time period. And then Bonche, how many times. Onjenna, every times. Hangsang, always. Kut, soon, at once. Onjenka, sometimes. Ajik, yet. And then Pangkum, a moment ago. And then Segi, century. And then Dongsiye, sometimes. Same time. Ibon, this time. And then Kakum, sometimes. And then Ju, week. Sahul, 3 days. Hemada, every year. And then Junyon, 1 whole year. Kigan, period. And then Kuche, day before us. Yesterday. Ito yung tinatawag guys na nung isang araw. Okay? Mail, everyday. Te, the time when. The time when. Kute, at the time. Harot pam, a single night. Yujum, these days. Jinanbon, last time. Ite, at this time. And then Sichol, occasion or season. Jikho, immediately after. Iljuil, whole day. Gejol, season. Nyonseng, year of birth. Sehe, new year. Nalja, date. Achim, breakfast or achimul. Yung ul indicating na object particle. Okay? Jomsim, lunch. And then jonyok, dinner or jonyokul. Kumyon, this year. And then pamse durok, all night. Sayong sigi, use time. Okay guys, so yan yung ating time vocabularies na napaka-importante sa exam. Okay? So hanggang dyan lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you and God bless.